today we're gonna do another Create-a-Foo video. Let's start. First, we are gonna choose the eyes. I like these eyes, so I'm gonna go to keep it. Next, we are gonna choose the skin. You can choose any skin above. Instead of peach this time, I can use blue. Let's do the hair. I am gonna choose the hair. A simple that. Yeah, this one. Blue. Just change all them to blue. Next, we're gonna do the accessory. I want this accessory. It's cute. Go way down, and here you have it. The t-shirt. I really don't use any of these. Maybe this. Nah. I was gonna use this one.